Welcome to Section 1, the power of video. See it, want it, buy it. In this section, we will explore how video can transform your dropshipping business. In the world of dropshipping, grabbing attention is key, and nothing does that better than video. Videos captivate your audience and keep them engaged. A picture is worth 1,000 words, but a video, it's worth 1,000 sales. Videos can convey emotions, details, and stories that static images simply can't. Why? Because videos bring your products to life. They show the product in action, making it easier for customers to visualize using it in their own lives. Imagine scrolling through social media and seeing a static image of a phone case. It might catch your eye, but it doesn't tell you much. Now imagine seeing a video of that same case, showcasing its features and durability. You see it being dropped, bent, and still coming out unscathed. Which one makes you want to hit buy now? The video, of course, because it provides a more comprehensive understanding of the product. Videos offer a dynamic shopping experience. They can include interactive elements, making the shopping process more engaging and fun. They let potential customers experience your products before they buy them. This virtual experience can be the deciding factor in making a purchase. This builds trust, boosts confidence, and drives sales. Customers feel more secure knowing exactly what they're getting. It's time to leverage the power of video for your dropshipping business. Start creating compelling video content that showcases your products in the best light. Get ready to watch your sales skyrocket. With the right video strategy, your dropshipping business can reach new heights. Welcome to Section 2 Lights, Camera, Action Creating Videos That Sell. In this section, we'll dive deep into the essentials of video production that can elevate your brand. Creating captivating videos doesn't require a Hollywood budget. You can achieve professional results with minimal investment. You just need the right strategy and a bit of creativity. Keep it simple, authentic, and engaging. Authenticity resonates with viewers. Start with high-quality lighting and sound. These are the foundations of any good video. Blurry footage and muffled audio scream unprofessional. They can turn viewers away instantly. Invest in a good microphone and shoot in well-lit areas. Next, focus on pacing. A well-paced video keeps the audience engaged. No one wants to watch a 10-minute video about a phone case. Make every second count. Keep it concise, informative, and to the point. Deliver your message clearly and quickly. Use jump cuts, music, and transitions to keep viewers hooked. These elements add dynamism to your video. Remember, your goal is to showcase your product's value and make viewers eager to learn more. Highlight the benefits and unique features. Welcome to Section 3. Tell a story, engage your audience. People connect with stories. Stories have the power to captivate and hold attention like nothing else. Instead of just listing features, weave a narrative around your product. Show how it solves a problem or enhances someone's life. Make your audience see themselves in the story you are telling. For example, if you're selling a travel mug, don't just talk about its insulation. Highlight its practicality and convenience. Show someone using it on their morning commute, enjoying a hot coffee on a chilly day. Paint a vivid picture of its benefits. Create relatable scenarios that resonate with your target audience. Make them feel like the product was made just for them. Use humor, emotion, or even a touch of drama to make your video memorable. These elements can make your story stand out. Remember, people buy emotions, not just products. Make them feel something. Connect on a deeper level to drive engagement and loyalty. Ditch the boring static shots. Use dynamic angles, close-ups, and creative transitions to keep your audience engaged. Show your product in action. If you're selling a kitchen gadget, demonstrate how it works. If it's clothing, show it being worn in different settings. Don't forget about text overlays and graphics. Use them to highlight key features, prices, and discounts. But keep it clean and easy to read. Remember, visuals are key to capturing attention and conveying information quickly and effectively. Don't leave viewers hanging. Tell them exactly what to do next. Include a clear call to action, such as visit our website to learn more, or use code YouTube10 for 10% off. Make it easy for them to take action. Provide links in the video description and use clickable end screens. Create a sense of urgency. Offer limited time discounts or highlight low stock quantities to encourage immediate purchases. Remember, a strong call to action is crucial for converting viewers into paying customers. By creating compelling, informative, and visually appealing videos, you're not just selling products, you're building a brand. You're creating a community of engaged customers who trust your recommendations. Track your video analytics. See which ones are performing well and analyze why. Use that data to improve your content strategy. Creating high-quality YouTube content requires effort, but the rewards are worth it. Increased sales, improved brand visibility, and a loyal customer base are just a few clicks away. Start filming and watch your dropshipping business soar.